What is up? Back here with another video. We got a car meet going on. You already know how it is. This channel is nothing but more car content, anything vehicle related happens on this channel. And we finna get y'all the best work. Alright, let's go around. Look, we waiting on some more people to show up, and then we gonna get active. Hit that subscribe button. We chasing 5K. Let's go. Look at the members. Look at the members. Look at the members. Look at the members. Look at them boys. Back to back. Scatty. Members only, gang. We outside, man. We out chill. Come on. Come on. We out here, man. Damn. Yeah. Hey. First other one. Come on, bro. We here. Alright, YouTube, we are at a new location. Police came and was like, hey, y'all gotta go. Well, we out here. New location. Like I said, man, we get active, baby. Stay tuned. Start early. Start early. Start early. Start early. Jay, come on. Come on. Yeah. Come on, nigga. All right. Spin that bit right. Come on, nigga. Spinning out, nigga. Look, they tell me. Police just showed up, man. I'm dead. Go ahead. New location. Oh, shit. Get out the way, nigga. Come on, nigga. Yeah. Bro, get out the way. Come on the ground. Come on. Get up in there. Get up in there.
Spin that bitch.
Spin that hoe. We here. We waiting. We here. Hey, make a pit too, bro. We gotta make a pit. Come on the ground, nigga. Yes, sir. LJ, spit it out. YouTube, we at a gas station now, bro. Police was everywhere. They on our ass tonight. They ain't playing. Police ain't playing no games, but we might take over this gas station, go crazy over there. So stay tuned. We out here. Come on, baby. My fault, baby. Yeah, spin that bit, Brody. Yeah. Come on, bring that bit back. Come on.